Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this 5-pack shower caddy. So this is 5 little shelves. You can hang things up on in the shower. This is like, looks like pretty sturdy. These are like little metal racks here. So there's 5 of these little guys, and then they come with this this sticky pad here. Basically you peel off the back and these little guys will go onto those like that. They'll just kind of hook on those onto the shelf like that, and that's going to hold it on there. So that's pretty cool. Like that there's like a plastic thing, so it's not going to damage your you don't have to do any screws or anything like that, so that's pretty nice. It's got these little instructions here as well. No drilling, and if you need to remove it, you just use a hair dryer, heat it up real quick, and take those off of there. So it comes with, looks like 3 of these sticky ones, the big ones. And then for the little shelves, we have just an individual one like that. So this is cool. It's like a little shampoo bottle, could fit right on there, and then have a couple for a soap or something else. All right, it's got a nice little design here on the front as well. This is for just like a larger one. You can put all kinds of, you know, loofah, I think so they're called, sponges or whatever, body scrubs, things like that. And here's another one. So it comes with 2 of these good sized shelves. Looks like this one's even a little bit wider than that one. And then these ones as well. So I'm going to go hook this up, put this in the shower, show you guys how it looks. So it looks like it came with 3 of these big ones here, like an extra one there, and then a little smaller one, 3 of the smaller ones for those. So let's go set this up and see how it looks in the shower, shall we? All right, so if you want to hang one of these up right here, go ahead and just, you can just make sure it's flat, so you can either get a level and level it off, or just go, if you have like tile lines or something on your thing, on your shower, you can level it off that way. Let's see, so simply just peel this sticky off the back, and naturally I just had my fingernails recently cut. Seems to work that way. You want these little hooks to be facing upwards, obviously. And then select where you would like to have your shelf and simply just put that on there. Okay, this adhesive seems really strong. And then we can just snap our shelf onto here. Let's see, these should come out just a hair. We put those on and snap that into place. I think we could either do the top here, there we go, and snap those down. Okay, that's not going anywhere. That is, good golly. So you could put all kinds of soaps up here if you want. And I would be comfortable with that holding probably at least 10 to 15 pounds, no problem. It does have these little hooks on the side too. Put your little scrubs and things like that. It's stainless steel, so it looks kind of nice as well. It shouldn't be rusting or anything like that. So a nice little option, and it gives you like 5 of these, so you could put a little soap holder here, you could put another one here, wherever you wanted to. Options are pretty limitless as far as basically you can hang this anywhere you want to in your shower or If you had another wall too, if you just wanted to hang something on a shop or something, if you had like some kind of backing you tape it onto, this is going to hold on there really well. And to get that off, it's little, just kind of pry that up, just like that. And then you can remove this. If it stays too long, so you just get a hair dryer and kind of heat this up, and you can remove this if it's stuck on there too good. So all in all, fairly impressive for sure. And that is solid. So you can use a hair dryer to remove this if you need to heat it up. Allow it to heat up, and then you just press it on there or remove it if necessary. But yeah, no mess, no sticky residue left over on there too. Super handy. Like I said, you got 5 of these to work with if you want to. It comes with, so it's nice. It looks cool too. I like the design on here. So very nice little shelves there. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day. Hope this video was informative and helpful, and I'll see you next time.